My name is Shina Pugh, and I'm a physical education teacher at Gardner Elementary School. With this assignment, I haven't really been able to contact my students. The district hasn't been doing much with physical education. They just implemented mailed home packets to our students this week alone, and they're not implementing any physical education or specials or anything like that until next week. And even with that, I'm not even a part of this decisions, or I don't even know what's going home to the students for physical education. Um, they're going to be pre-made packets, and the kids are just getting them mailed to their house. But I've had parents email me. I've had parents Facebook message me and find me on Facebook. And that is why I decided to choose using the screencast and using a Facebook page I created. And that I named it Gardner Physical Education because that's the name of the school. And then if you scroll down, I personally have not created any videos. I just don't think I have the space and the right recording sound quality to do something active while the sound is fine. So I've been going on YouTube and finding some really good videos that show our students what they can be doing at home if it loads. All right, and then I've gotten some people to add, and so I wrote, remember every day it's good to start with a warm-up. I really like him with all of his YouTube videos because he uses, like in this photo, he has stuffed animals as his physical education equipment. And then I've made several other posts. Sorry, it's loading. And it's using different programs that I've used. So this is just using a timer. This rock, paper, scissors thing is something that we've actually done in class. And it's something I had up on the screen and the kids were able to look up. And so I posted it, but we can change some things up. So instead of lifting the blue mat that they used in the classroom, they can find something heavy around the home. Like they can lift up the trash can or something. They can still do stretches. And so I thought that was a good one to post. And the other thing with physical education right now is that we're not teaching any units, we're not teaching any standards. We're just wanting to make sure that kids are staying active, and that's our goal right now, is to make sure that they're moving. So I like this other PE teacher. He uses paper, just 5 sheets of paper and different jumps that you can do over the paper. This is a good time for like an afternoon or an evening. And it's a YouTube video of this lady reading a book and doing different yoga poses to it. And I'm going to close out that before it goes off. And then I love using Go Noodles for indoor recess, so I thought that was a good one to repost about. So kids remember, oh, hey mom, can you go to Go Noodle? And they can pull it up on the computer, and it's just a website where they can go and like do Zumba, they can do different dancing, and it's all educational at the same time. And then I also thought maybe they could do different YouTube videos between homework packets. And that this concludes my video.